Hi everybody, sorry we haven't made any videos for a little while. We've been a bit busy sorting out the workshop, so we haven't really been doing anything. So as you can see from the videos, we've cleared a lot of stuff out of this workshop. There's a lot of tools, a lot of farm equipment that's been sat in here for 20 odd years, and we've managed to get it all cleared out and made ourselves a bit of better space. We've cleaned all the floors up, epoxied them, painted all the walls. As it stands at the moment, we're only bringing the tools in that we're going to use. Got a couple of vehicles in that we literally just started working since we've cleared the workshop, and we've got a military defender that we've got completely stripped down that we're working on. It's having quite a major overhaul, a lot of new panels, doors, electric windows, fully retrimmed. This won't be military spec when it's finished, it'll be posh spec hopefully. We're not quite sure how long this one's going to take, it's a little bit of a project ongoing. We're doing some mods to the tub in it. Removed all the bulkhead, we're going to modify the roll cage and get that all trimmed out, ready and sprayed and back together soon. We've got another fender in, we're sorting out the side windows and putting some headliner and internal panels in on that. So we will keep you up to date as we go. So thanks for watching.